Hey there, let's dive right into this explainer on the reality of building perfect nursing simulation labs.
So, what actually makes a perfect sim lab? Is it just flashy, brand new gear?
We all picture the dream, right? Pristine rooms, high tech mannequins everywhere, and completely blown away visitors.
But here's the divide. Admins often chase prestige and optics, while faculty just want better teaching tools.
This creates the photo op effect, where we prioritize looking good on camera over actually teaching well. The fatal flaw? Falsely assuming the lab will just magically run itself once the ribbon is cut. Then, the ribbon gets cut, and reality quietly hits you right on delivery day. Suddenly, all that glamorous tech violently clashes with the unglamorous, heavy physical logistics of setup. You're wrestling incredibly heavy mannequins, overly complex software, and hyper-realistic features you literally don't need. The real hidden variable here? Faculty terrified of troubleshooting complex tech live in front of students. That anxiety leads to the absolute worst phrase in simulation education: just pretend you did it. Visitors only see shiny equipment. They completely miss the hidden hours of maintenance, charging, and testing. So sustainability isn't just about the budget, it is a vital educational design choice. You don't need messy, fake fluids if the actual learning objective is just practicing sterile technique. For success, set clear objectives, take tech baby steps, use laminated guides, and always require advance notice. We gotta reframe software glitches. They aren't embarrassing failures, they're crucial troubleshooting opportunities for everyone. Coordinators look for green flags, piloted scenarios, faculty asking questions early, and a real value on simplicity. But definitely watch out for red flags: winging it day of, zero prep time, or pressure to perform. A truly perfect lab is messy, iterative, and fiercely focused on actual student learning. So I'll leave you with this. Does your simulation lab actually improve learning or just realism?